So this is part 3 of hosting a website on Raspberry Pi. Now we are going to see the configuration of the host file. The host file is located on etc, and it has the configuration to resolve the name of the website, of the local website, to the IP address. I have IP address 192.168.2.10 that I associated with the website. Also, I have 127.0.1.1 associated to the website, and also 10.3.41.1, which is the wireless. But you can see the website open without any problem. So now we're going to see the file that has the host name. So that's the host name that I gave it, same name as associated with the website. So now I'm going to show you the configuration of the Apache CONF file, just to make sure that it has the correct information. You see that this part, this line, if we change it to none, and if we go to the website and we want to open the website, it will give an error. If you have an error when creating the website or migrating a website, this is an area that you can verify. You see, that's the error. Just by changing the line on the Apache CONF file, now it doesn't find the database. The first page it opened because it's the index file, but when it tried to navigate the other files, it doesn't find it. So now I'm going to put it back, that option, to all, and you will see that it changed the behavior. Now it should open. Let's see, let's save the file, and now restart Apache and test again. Refresh, and it should open. There you go. So very important to keep that in mind. Just a little misconfiguration make you spend hours and hours looking for the solution. The other file that has to be present and have the right configuration is the .ht access file. You will see what happened if I remove the file. So you have to make sure that the information on the .ht access file is correct. Otherwise, it won't work, you see? Right now, the file doesn't exist, and it doesn't find the website. Doesn't find the files related to the database to connect. You see, it doesn't find the URL. I spent hours and hours and hours with this kind of errors. I had another error last time, like it said not authorized. And it was related to these files as well. As you can see, the website is working properly with the information that I share with you, the files configuration, which are a host file, host name, the default CONF configuration on Apache for the virtual servers, also the configuration on Apache CONF, and the php.ini configuration files. So there you have it, how to host a website on Raspberry Pi. I hope that this video helped you to solve or fix some issues that you might have with a website, local website on your office or at home. That will be all for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like it. And I'll see you in the next video.